Okay, the distribution of weights for newborn babies is a normal distribution. So I'm going to draw our normal distribution. So it's a bell curve. Oops, that was not a straight line. It's okay. So, and the mean is the middle. So right in the middle, the mean weight of a newborn baby is 7.3 pounds, and our standard deviation is 0.7. So if I go out one standard deviation away from the mean, I'm going to add 0.7 and subtract 0.7. So 7.3 plus 0.7 is 8. That makes sense. And then the other way would be 6.6. And then you would keep going. So the second standard deviation away, now we're going to take 8 plus 0.7, which is 0.7. And then 6.6 minus 0.7 is 5.9. So that's 95%. And then let's just go all the way here. The third standard deviation, so I'm going to have 8.7 plus 0.7, which is 9.4. And then 5.9 minus 0.7 is 5.2. Okay, so there's our normal distribution, and we're using this rule. So the 68's our first standard deviation in green. The 95% is our second standard deviation, and then our third is in blue. So what percentage of newborn babies weigh more than 8 pounds? So we want to go 8 and everything over here. So I'm going to shade. So right here, here, and here. What percent is that? And to figure that out, I'm actually going to look at the whole thing. The whole thing is 100%. So half of it, if I take off this half, it's going to be, actually, I'm going to write it up here. So I have the whole thing, and I'm going to take off half, which is, sorry. Oh, a lot of talking today. Minus half. So I just took off half of it. And now this extra piece is 34%. So I'm going to subtract that. And then my leftover will be what's left over here. So 100 minus 50 minus 34. So that's 16% of the babies are more than 8 pounds. Okay, what percent of newborns weigh less than 6.6? Dang it. Okay, so now I want less than 6.6. So now I want to go this way. But because this is a normal distribution, it's the same amount. It's still this, which was 13.5, this 2.35, and then this tiny piece, which is 0.15. So this one's still 16%. It's just going the other way. And then what percent weigh between 5.9 and 8.7? So here's 5.9 and 8.7. So it's saying how many are in here and here and here and here. So how many are between my red lines? And remember, we already said that's 95%. So 16, 16, 95. Uh-oh, what did I miss? Keep working. Oh, I don't need the percent.